Jordan?
Well, that goes quick, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I can't
you see
even,
it wobble?
I can't even see it.
See the wing wobble? I'm gonna bring it round.
Wobble? Couldn't see anything, Tony. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That looks a bit unsteady.
Well,
Was it the handle?
I think it's the stabiliser.
The shoe, isn't it?
Yeah, probably. It
Yeah.
might be a bit buffety up there.
Yeah, the sky looks nice.
It does, it's beautiful.
Not that I can see.
I think it's windy.
Oh, there it is, there it is, there it is. I can see it. Tiny little... Now it's disappeared in the clouds. Bring it down towards me so I can get it. Don't fucking hit me on the edge of it.
Yeah, it's a bit buffety. It's a lot windy and then...
I want to see it land, kids. I've got to bring it down a bit so I can see it.
Yeah, the camera will pick it up as long as you're pointing at it. I think the stabiliser's messing about with it, you know.
Where is it? Where's it? Whoa!
Shaking a lot, isn't it?
Yeah.
A lot. Oh! Stalled.
Whoa!
That's not right.
It don't sound right either. I can't even see it. Oh, the sun. Bright light.
Oh.
God, bring it over this way. I'm blinded.
Okay. See it flapping?
Yeah.
That's the wind. That's the wings are really flapping.
Oh, I've lost it. Right, where is it?
What's the red line?